Thank you so much, Dr. Essa. Ladies and gentlemen, it is such a pleasure to be with you all here today. Now, for our first panel discussion for today, we delve into the latest advancements in AI, big data, machine learning, and robotic surgery. Please welcome back to the stage Lieutenant Colonel Dr. Essa Almutawa, the Chief AI Officer and Director of Monitoring and Inspection Department at Dubai Civil Defense. With him is Dr. Hatem Moussa, Chief Surgery and Director of Robotic Surgery Center of Excellence at the American Hospital Dubai, and your moderator, Sally Moussa, Senior Presenter at Forbes Middle East.
Thank you so much, Viwei, for that introduction. And thank you, Dr. Assam, for that. You gave us a little bit of an introduction about what we're going to talk about now, but we are very much going to be delving into the latest advancements in AI, in big data, machine learning, and robotic surgery, an incredibly exciting topic this afternoon. And so we have with us two visionaries in this space who are at the forefront of everything that is going on right now. If I can start with you, Dr. Assam, when we are looking at the regulatory policies and frameworks that are being developed to allow for investment and the adoption as well of these advanced clinical technologies and machine learning in the UAE, how important is that when you're looking at the kind of regulations around it?
Thank you for that insightful question. Actually, UAE is developing and updating regulatory policies to foster investment and adoption of advanced technology, especially in the early diagnosis and predictive model. As I mentioned earlier, one of the cornerstone initiatives is the UAE Strategy of Artificial Intelligence 2031, which continues to evolve to keep pace with technological advancement. Recent update emphasize healthcare applications, including AI-driven diagnostics and personalized medicine. So to facilitate this, the government has enacted updated regulations for data digital, and these regulations modernize the legal frameworks of artificial intelligence to ensure secure handling of the data necessary for AI application. United Arab Emirates as well leapfrogging system developments through initiative like the United Medical Record System. It's the platform connect health provider nationwide, enabling real-time access to patient data and supporting predictive analytics for population health management. Finally, our investment in the genomics projects demonstrate, such as the UAE Genome Program, demonstrate our commitment in personalized medicine. By sequencing genome and utilizing AI, we are able to prevent genetics diseases, and be proactive in the health system aligned with the global best practices. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Essa, for that, and giving us a bit more of an insight around how the UAE truly is leading in this area. Dr. Hatem, when we come to you, the American Hospital Dubai, and you yourself, in fact, the first in the UAE, in the region, to really be using robotics in surgeries, in different treatments, Talk to us about that and how that came about, the kind of challenges, the incredible opportunities that are there.
Yeah, we were the first in Dubai to start a full multidisciplinary and multi-speciality robotic surgery program. We started this before the corona, and then we hit with the corona, which basically held everything. So we had many challenges. Initially, no one in Dubai knew what robotic surgery is. So to convince a patient to go into robotic surgery is going to be very challenging. Number two is it's the first private hospital in the whole Middle East to adopt robotic surgery. Now, insurance, they are not paying for this. So why an investor or an owner for a private practice to invest in robotic surgery unless he has a vision in the future that this is the future, this is the thing that he has to invest on? Insurance is not paying. No one has any data supporting how many patients you're going to get, what's the return of investment, so nothing. So basically, the management took the risk and starting that robotic surgery, and basically this reflected in the whole country. Now you see a lot of hospitals trying to following us, trying to do exactly what we're doing. Now the trajectory of robotic surgery is going to the greater autonomy. If you're talking about what's the future of robotic surgery, and in collaboration with the talk with Dr. Assam, that now the AI is involving a lot in robotic surgery. Now the robotic surgery is going to move from the surgeon's control devices like Da Vinci or other robotic platforms to a full autonomy, greater autonomy like this, the STAR, which is a soft tissue autonomous robot, will be able to perform the surgery on itself, by itself. So it shows a greater reconstruction of the soft tissue. Definitely, there are a lot of ethical challenges, ethical consideration, and technological challenges, and also need extensive trial to ensure patient safety. So going back to the American hospital invested in this that much. American hospital invested in its own employees, training them, give them the full support to go into that the courses for the AI and healthcare from MIT. So not only doctors, on the management level as well. We start having this AI lab and robotic lab to know exactly the new and the results of this new technology, and to be able to catch with the AI. The involvement of the AI in robotics is huge. I don't want to take that much talk, but this basically American hospital started that technology, and now I can see it's everywhere.
Why is it pivotal that we move in this direction? Because as you're talking and as you're saying, there are going to be some patients who are like, I'm not sure that I want a robot to be operating on me or my loved ones. How do we ensure that this is going to go the right way? Why does the American Hospital Dubai see that vision? What's the bigger vision? Why is this so important? And where do you see the biggest opportunities where this is going to be pivotal?
Yeah, guess what? Initially, we used to get this question a lot, even from my friends, families, and people I know personally. I don't want the robot to operate on me. This was initially. But let me tell you something. Now, patients come to us, I want the robotic surgery. I want to have the robotic surgery. The robot is not the one that's doing the surgery. Now, the robot we have now, it is not full autonomous. It is a surgeon's controlled robot. So it's just a slave. It's following the orders of the surgeons. It magnifies the field 10 times more, and it provides the 3D perception. The instruments are so tiny and delicate and articulates in 360 degrees. And all this adds accuracy and precision on the surgery. So it's just a tool. This is currently now. But I think in the future, then, a few years, we will have a full autonomous. We'll have that already. There's a STAR, a soft tissue autonomous robot, can operate on its own. It's a lot of involvement of AI integrated into the robotic surgery. So your question is absolutely right. In the beginning, this is the question. I don't want the robot. And now it's like a lot of patients come. I want the robot. And even some patients are have more knowledge. They said, I want that robot, not this robot. They hear around. They go and search. Absolutely. Yeah.
That's amazing. I'm not up to this stage where I'm thinking there are different robots now that you can choose between.
Yeah, many robots in the market, and the patients
Incredible.
now they are aware which one is better for this one and this.
Obviously, like any technology, this is going to be continually upgraded, and it's something that you have to keeping up with the technology. Correct?
Absolutely. It's a very advanced field. Dr. Assam also can tell us about this. But it's definitely, it is growing unbelievably.
And the kind of areas in medicine where this is going to be of the most use?
Again, the question?
The kind of areas in medicine where there are the biggest opportunities to use robotics.
A lot of AI in general now is integrated into the electronic health records. So it can assist, actually can predict complications, can reduce mortality and morbidity, can decrease a lot of things. Surgical site infection. It helps during the surgery identifying certain anatomy. So it can tell you this is a dangerous zone, this is a safe zone. It can create certain scores called intersection over union. So it depends on the score that comes out. It tells you this is a safe zone or dangerous zone. The AI integration in robotics, it's significantly. Now in the market now we have something called T-Solution 1, used for orthopedics, complete robotics, cyberknife and radiosurgery. It's already in clinical use nowadays. So in a few years, they're going to have a robot doing the surgery then from A to Z.
Incredible, incredible. Dr. Essa, if I can come back to you, in terms of how the UAE compares to other leading health systems, how are they stacking up compared to others in terms of the use and the adoption of AI and machine learning as tools in the healthcare industry?
So before answering the question, as my colleague doctor mentioned,
Please.
about we have to stay up to date with the latest technology, I heard Sam Altman, the founder of OpenAI, saying that everyone should be up to date, otherwise we will be left behind. And they are saying that the sum of human knowledge now exists digitally. So it will take humans million years to analyze all these data, but tools like ChatGPT can analyze from 170 billion to 170 trillion piece of data in 1 year. From the other hand, Bard AI, related to Google, can summarize a 500-page book in 5 seconds.
Unbelievable.
Faster than 100 times than the human brain.
Yeah.
So I believe that the opportunities is huge, but in the meanwhile we have to consider the ethical consideration and information security, knowing that every 11 seconds there is a cyber attack happening somewhere around the globe. So back to your question, UAE is rapidly advanced in adopting AI and machine learning in health care system. Our investment in cutting-edge technologies have resulted as the art of AI applications across all hospitals, clinics nationwide, and one of them the American hospitals. And for example, one of the AI-powered diagnostic tools that reduce radiology analysis time by up to 50%, enhancing efficiency and patient care. And our hospitals use artificial intelligence, machine learning algorithms to early detect diseases like diabetes and cardiovascular conditions, which are prevalent in our region. Real-time monitoring system and early identification of risk factors not only enhance patient care, but also elevate UAE's state as a primary healthcare tourism destination. By offering personalized and efficient care, we are attracting patients globally who seek top-tier medical services combined with the advanced technology. Finally, incorporating AI and care coordination streamlines patient experiences, reducing wait time and ensure high quality of treatment plan. This commitment to innovation, excellence, solidifies UAE's reputation on the globe stage. We believe in UAE with our stakeholders. We are not just adopting the future of healthcare, we are part of it and we are creating it. Thank you.
We absolutely are. Incredible. And so, Dr. Hatem, back to you. How do you see the UAE itself differentiating itself as a center of advanced clinical and technological innovation? I feel like we already have. And the kind of services and patient cohorts that you are seeing the most success with as well.
So that question has two parts. The first part was explained well by Dr. Essa. The genomic research, the integration of AI, the predictive analysis that they do, the trying to get the exploring the machine learning, the natural language processing, so all this has been utilized in the UAE. So medical tourism, Dubai is the hub. Yesterday I heard the lecture by Dr. Marwan, and he's talking about it's more than 600,000 already, and the target was 500,000, 600,000. So UAE already has established its position for the differentiate itself to be the hub of technology already. I'm talking about the medical field on my side. So the patients cohort, it's valid to all patients, from oncology to cardiovascular, for heart patients, for cancers, for abdominal wall reconstruction, for aesthetic even. All the patients get the benefit of this technology. And diabetes, as Dr. Essa mentioned, that it is really significantly able to predict and provide this predictive analysis for patients who's going to have the complications not, and what to do. So I think all patients will get benefit, and I think this is where we are now.
And this is why we are having this summit, the Medical Tourism and Wellness Summit, because we are showcasing what is next in healthcare, and what is next in healthcare is happening here in Dubai, here in the UAE. Lieutenant Colonel Dr. Essa Almutawa, Dr. Hatem Moussa, thank you both so much for joining us today. Ladies and gentlemen, please thank our incredible speakers. Thank you. Fantastic discussion. Thank you. Much appreciated.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Please.
Hey, how are you?
How are you? Thank you. This is thank you appreciation.
Oh,
Thank you so much. Thank you. Dr. Hatem. Yeah. Please.
It's nice.
This is thank you appreciation.
Thank you so much.
And just if we can have you in the middle for photos, please.
I'm the CEO of Forbes, so I'm jumping.
عارف I know you.
الدكتور يخبرني انواع الروبوتس اللي يستخدمونها عشان عقب نختار.
لا انا على المايك فمش هينفع ارد عليك.
We should have covered that. We should have covered that. Thank you both so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
How can we
Yeah, thank you so much.
نشيل بس المايك وارد؟